What is the difference between a brand and a personal brand? This is the topic that we will see in this video. I'll see you inside. I think the best way to illustrate the difference between the two would be to go for two examples. So I'll take two Michaels, one of which will be Michael Kors and the other one would be Michael Phelps. Obviously, they are known in different spheres, but I think that we can use those two names to kind of illustrate the difference between the two. So if we talk about Michael Kors, obviously right away there's things that should come to your mind. I mean, obviously, they are in the fashion industry, they're in the high value, they do clothing, they do items. So you probably have some image that come to mind, either from their advertising, maybe from some of their influencers that they use, all sorts of things. But you probably don't have the image of Michael Kors himself, the designer. I actually don't even know what he looks like. I know his products, I know his brand, I know his logo, I know some of his advertising, but I don't remember. Maybe I've seen him, but I don't remember what he looks like. So this is what a brand is. It goes beyond the name of a person to represent values, positioning, objects, emotions, feelings, missions. There's a lot of things that go into a brand, but it goes beyond the person. Now, if we take the other Michael that we want to take, Michael Phelps. Now, on the other side, it is extremely difficult to dissociate the realization from the person. So if you talk about Michael Phelps, it is him in the pool with all of his medals around his neck, doing all sorts of things at the Olympic, at the World Championship, all sorts of records, him punching the water when he wins. There's all sorts of image, but all of the images are associated with him doing his thing. That would be a personal brand. Everybody knows Michael Phelps. Everybody knows what he did. Now, if you are in the business of looking for a swim instructor, I mean, obviously, I don't know if he does that, and I don't know how much he charges, but it would be very difficult to come up with somebody that would be better than him at passing along his secrets or his expertise. So it is very associated with the person. So right away we can see the difference between the two. One is a series of emotion that is not necessarily associated with the person themselves, because the person themselves has become bigger than the name or the identity of the person. It has become a brand. On the other hand, personal branding is highly associated with a person. It is, in a way, a series of statements, of arguments to make you differentiate yourself from your competitors in the arena that you decide to play in. For example, Michael Phelps, well, he stands alone with respect to other swimmers, either from his accomplishments, from the media coverage that he has, so forth and so on. So he is the best option if you decide to go with a swimming instructor, let's say, or a swimming consultant, or somebody to build your swim program. He should be the first person on your list if the price is within your budget. So this is what personal branding is. So it is highly associated with the person. It is a series of arguments to make you stand apart from your competition. So hopefully that has helped you understand the difference between the two. If you have any questions or comment, or if you want me to clarify some topics on this, please let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to like the video, share it around, and register to the channel.